What's up, gang? Um, I'll record this one because this is something that's very important. You gotta know, and I've been putting it off. So here goes. I know we talk a lot about rereading and we talk a lot about mindset, and you have to get those things right. And one of those things about mindset that you have to get right is actually that you have to study things other than mindset. You know, um, this is something I got from a mentor of mine, but it's the idea that you really need to have a high awareness factor. What that means is you need to be aware of many different things in the world. In a way, it's like saying you need to be eclectic. But of course, I talk all the time, you need to have concentration of effort. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't know how to cook, you shouldn't know how to wash your clothes. Doesn't mean you shouldn't know how a computer works. Doesn't mean that you don't know how your body works. You need to know a lot of things as a human being. I heard it said one way, like a human has to hunt, build homes, take care of their kids, all these different things. Specialization is for the insects. And of course, again, specialization, specialized knowledge applied to a definite aim is how we earn money. It's how we succeed because concentration of effort is power, is a form of power. But with that said, it leads people to the wrong impression where they think that they don't need to learn a lot of things. We're human beings. We need to know science, we need to know history, language. There are tons of things. I want you to be a very curious person. We read widely and at the same time focus in on what you are learning. A good way to do this, is you got to have a library, and that's my suggestion. The reason why is, I've told you many times that environment is so very important. When you have a library, it's like you're making it easy for yourself to be seeking knowledge. Whereas if you go to a library, you know what? If you have to go to a library, go for it. Make sure you spend your time there. But for me, it wasn't easy to do it. It's like when you want to go on a diet, you don't just leave chips and ice cream in your fridge or whatever. You make it easy. You get rid of all the junk food, you put healthy food in. And in the same way, you fill your home with books on important topics. And it's easy. You're bored, flip open a book. And slowly it becomes a habit because your environment reinforces it. So I just want you to take this away, make it a part of your mindset. You need to have a high awareness factor of how the world around you works. Read widely. Again, focus mostly on your mindset, your specialized field, but you got to know a lot about your world. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Good luck.